So over the last 3 years, I've taken over the New York section Forex trading markets. And I've done so fast. And I've done so in a manner that has made me the obvious king of the New York session. But there's a big but there. Today is the day that I've decided I'm taking back my throne and we're revisiting London session.
It isn't always rainbows and butterflies. The current time right now, literally 6:30, and we got 5.5 hours till London session. And I'm tired of shit. I'm fucking tired. I'm used to going to sleep in the next couple hours because I'm used to waking up during New York session. And it's not about that, and it's not about me. It's about making a statement, and that's what matters tonight. I gotta tell myself that because it's not gonna be easy. You know what? Nothing in life's easy. That's what I've learned. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. That f***ed my neck just a little bit. Oh, man, I can't do the challenge anymore, bro. We got to do another day. My neck's fucked up. Oh, man, 5 hours. I need something to do. I'm usually getting my pajamas on, getting my PJs on, doing a little teeth brushing, a little booty hole cleaning. Play some baseball with my AI robot. Can't see off camera. Got one early. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna change real quick. We gotta get some shit, man. We're gonna be staying up late, or we're gonna be in the office. I'm gonna need some shit. I'm gonna need somewhere to sleep, right? I'm gonna need pillows. Can we do s'mores? Is that something we can do? We're doing s'mores. So just things that keep me awake, keep me up, because I'm not, staying up till 12 o'clock at night is not something I'm doing. I don't do much day to day.
Hand me that fucking Colombian coffee right now before I slurp it out of your ass. Oh, shit. So we're gonna head over to, Ryan, where are we heading, bro?
We're heading over to Target.
We're heading to Target because we need supplies. We need shit to keep me awake. We need snacks. All right, we're working on some lighting. Be back in a second. Ryan, stop putting these songs in my playlist, bro. We're gonna have a 6-hour window of doing nothing. Like I said, usually I'm asleep by 7:30, or not sleep good, but just rest our eyes a little bit here and there. Maybe potentially some shit to keep me awake, just in case I'm not awake when the clock ticks 12. And I can be your favorite girl. We're going. You said, Ryan, what the f, bro? Dude. All right. You gotta take a leak, you said?
Yeah.
You think you're gonna fucking take a leak on the job, bro? We're in the middle of a challenge doing a video. And you think you're gonna piss right now.
Yeah.
Everyone just call it. Oh, f***. Everyone just call it Spanish. Such a fucking asshole to his team. He's a horrible fucking guy. It's a fucking joke, so take it. But you're not pissing though. So, thinking to what we would need. Thinking for sure snacks, right? Sleeping bag, because we're gonna be in the office when we do everything we're gonna do. How about some comfy PJs? Huh? I wouldn't mind. Duct tape. Duct tape's a big one. You're gonna see what we use duct tape for, but it's gonna be important. It's gonna play a vital role in staying awake because I'm falling asleep as is. I'm tired, I'm out of it. It's been a rough week. Not a rough week, I wake up early every day. Tomorrow's supposed to be my day off, but instead I'm gonna stay up late tonight, trade, so. That's great. Oh, it's almost Christmas, so we gotta go with one of these. Who the hell is in my video right now? We're going Christmas style for sure, getting the spirit, getting the jolly spirit. I think it's important you have a good mindset. What the fuck? Shit's fucking flying in the car on its own. The war is crazy.
Flying reindeer.
Oh, just in case the power goes out. You never fucking know. Or if we do spooky stories. Or if we take the back and then we shove it. Feastables. Now can we just do a Feastables ad? And then text Mr. Beast and say, please, bro, come on. Please. All right. Marshmallow cream for the marshmallows. That'll fucking do. Oh, shit. All right, we got the Honey Maids. We got the Hershey's. What else did we end up getting? Oh, we got these. This. Marshmallow cream. You ever had that? Go out to it tonight, baby girl. Brush off my nipples. So I'm not trying to gain a lot of weight or anything, get fat. So I'm only gonna get just these snacks for now, and we're gonna move on to next thing we need. Pajamas so we can be comfy. Imagine doing this much prep for London session every day. I don't know how you kids do it, man. I'll tell you what. Switching to New York session was the best thing I ever done. We got it. We got it all. Now, we got our items. Let's take them upstairs. They're like doing that. We don't know what those are called because we got these. And these are called elevators. You call those stairs, I call those bullshit. All right, see you on the other side.
Yo, bro,
That was a fucking London session, eh? Where's my fucking elevator closer guy? So, it's unfinished office right now, but this is an office nonetheless. And this is where we're gonna be setting up camp, getting ready to trade. I'm gonna change into my pajamas and maybe do some marshmallows, because we still got quite a few hours before London session, as it's only 10 p.m. And London session for me is 12, so I'll cut some of these lights, huh? There was once a Forex trader with a huge schlong. And there it is, oh my God! So, as I get ready to rest, gotta do a couple things to prep, right? One of them being an alarm clock that I got. We're gonna be setting this for midnight, so that way I don't fucking sleep past London session, which I've done a lot in the past, I'm not gonna lie. I've literally slept past so many London sessions, I can't even tell you, like wake up at even like 12:03, and because of the way I trade breakouts, by 12:03, a trade could already be 500 pips in profit. So gotta have this on deck for sure. I got my marshmallow guy giving me marshmallows right now. Here we go. Oh, this is good. This is a good way to do it. I never tried it like this. All right, go ahead and torch me up. Oh, wait, fuck.
my bad.
That's it. I like my shit medium rare. Oh my God. See that shit? Okay. It's a little sweet. Why are you staring at it? You wanted to bite?
Yeah, I do.
Damn. Oh my God, the chocolate. I'm almost at the point where I'm so tired that I don't even know what to say. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead, lay down, set my alarm, and get ready to trade London session. Show y'all who the fuck the king of this industry is. Next video, I'm gonna trade Asia session. Imagine how nice that would be at 3 p.m. Oh, wow. I need some time to have some space.
Time to get up! London session.
What time? What time is it?
It's time. It's 11:40.
No, I don't know it's time.
It's 11:40.
Oh. 20 minutes. It's time. What the fuck is it? Okay, so
we got London session starting in about 8 minutes, so we don't have a lot of time to go over this. My choice today is DAX, German 30, because we are trading London session instead of New York. Normally during New York, I trade NASDAQ, US 30, US based pairs, but again, this is London session, so we are going to be trading DAX. That's our choice today. We could have done GJ too, but I love indices so much, I think I'm gonna stick to that. So let me see. So this is kind of what we were looking at this week in general. Trading NASDAQ and US 30, mostly US 30. We only had one NASDAQ trade in the week, but we did make about $160,000 for the week, which was really, really solid. And I'm pretty happy with that. But again, we're not here for New York session. We're here for London session and to prove that I can trade it all. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm confident in myself, and we're gonna wait for a perfect breakout opportunity as we normally do. We got Wayfair open on this screen. My goodness, must not be making that much money. So what I'm looking at right here on the 15, we have resistance here. We have support zones, previous resistance zones here. And then we also have, if we go down to our 5-minute time frame, we have our smaller support and resistance zones, which we could also take trades off of. So kind of just want to see how this moves in the next 7 minutes or so, see how volume is going to kick in and what it's going to do for us tonight. Hopefully it's not a slow night, since this is our kind of our only night trading London session. But I think we're gonna get a good move. I think that we could most definitely take support, break sells here and resistance here. We could also wait if we want to be safe and take sells based off the 15 down here in this major support here. So we also see we're kind of respecting support zones here, so on and so forth, things of that nature. But we're gonna go ahead and wait, see what happens. We still got time, it's still early. Let's go ahead and wait and see what happens with these breaks and take a trade. Okay, so looking at it now, there's a minute left before London session starts. Let's see if we can get major volume to kick in. If not, then we'll be patient and we'll wait. But regardless, we're getting a breakout one way or the other. I feel confident that we're gonna get a pretty clean breakout too, just the way price action's moving. Looks smooth, not a lot of consolidation. We're not moving left to right, we're moving up and down. So just gonna be patient. Again, 50 more seconds and then we'll go ahead and take our trade and see what we can do. Hey man, give me fucking s'mores. So if this right here ends up folding below the support zone, and we break below here, I'm gonna take my sell. And if we break above this resistance here, I'm gonna take my buy. So we're really just kind of seeing what happens in between this zone as we sit in this consolidation. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to push for a buy, I believe here. We create support, as you can see. Support held, and now we're pushing out of this resistance for what looks to be a pretty clean buying opportunity. So if price does break above these wicks here, I'm going to go ahead and take my buy position. There we go. We're activating our buys already. We are in. Now, we sit back, we relax, we wait for this to go and hit our target so we can get out of here with some money. There's that push we're waiting for right there. That's a great push. That is a great push. $8,500 in profit as it's currently sitting. Great, it's wonderful. I'm gonna take a step outside, catch us some breeze. It's pushing. We are at about a 1 to 2, about $12,000 currently in profit. We're getting ready to see how this next candle, that's a good closure. Not a good open of the next candle, but a good closure nonetheless. Let's see what our 15 is looking like. 15 unfortunately still has 5 minutes, so that's the only problem we're having. So we are coming to a little bit of a resistance zone here on the 15, but the 5's clean, a couple good closes, and this should hopefully not continue in the way it's moving now. I still foresee this to just kind of come back up and hopefully close bullish again. We'll see. 15-minute candle just closed. It's in a confusing spot, but I'm gonna explain why it's still a bullish move. As you can see, price respected resistance, but it also closed above the previous resistance at the same time. This candle broke this resistance and closed, but respected our second resistance. So why do I still believe this is a bullish trade? Because look at the size of this candle. This is a very large engulfing bullish candle. So when we have two things that are kind of contradicting each other, you look to your next sign of confluence. And what that is for me is a bullish candle, bullish volume, lots of volatility, and overall, we are in a bullish market. As you can see, we are mostly trending to the upside. So I still expect this trade to 100% fly, at least to our next resistance zone, where I will then close my trade out. Okay, wow, so 15-minute still looks very bullish because we're respecting Previous resistance, now support. As you can see, look at this beautiful candle wick right here. That's beautiful. Rejection, came back up, retraced, and now we should, from here, I'm fucking certain we're going to fly to the moon. I'm very certain of that. That is a beautiful candle. That's what you want to see. Candle anatomy 101. That's it right there. That's what you want to see for a bullish market. You got the resistance, you got the supports, you got the trends, you got the fucking everything you want to see is there. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm extremely exhausted. I don't do this often, but when I do, it's a movie every single time. I guess that's all we've been doing is waiting. Now we just wait even longer. I'm still at 5,000, so trade's still very active. Came close to stop loss. However, I do want to mention this. I probably would not have closed that trade at stop loss until I knew for a fact that it was not respecting resistance and creating a wick like it did. It would have to continue down and show me it's not coming back. We are getting a nice fucking spike. Let's fucking go. Here's the thing, right? I don't feel like waiting all fucking night, so we need this shit to speed the F up. We are currently up $13,000 on this push. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Keep pushing. Looking good. I'm gonna close this trade right here. $16,000 in profit. Oh my God, bro. I'm gonna show you guys too why I closed this trade if you wanna come over here. So, as you guys can see, my main resistance zone that I was fearing realistically is anywhere in here. It's anywhere in here. And it's hard to dictate exactly where price may reverse. So instead of waiting and trying to get an extra couple thousand and being greedy with the markets, why not close out, accept that I made $15,000, $16,000 today, a great push. And look, we're physically actually retracing right now, like I said. You never know where that resistance is gonna be in terms of something like this, right? Because you have multiple resistance zones. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. So how do you dictate which resistance it's going to respect? You don't. You don't. And I'm not saying it's a guessing game. Of course, it's not that. It's a probability game. But if I'm already up 1 to 2.5, right? We're sorted at a 1 to 2.5. Why would I not take my 15K and move on and go eat Taco Bell and go to sleep? Basically, what I'm saying is I don't feel like staying awake. I'm beating around the bush. So I'm trying to go to fucking sleep. We made 15K. I'm happy with that. London session secured. If you guys want to see a video where I trade only London session for the entire week, bust my ass up. Bust my ass up. Whoa. Bust my ass off, grind it out, and trade it every single day. See how much we can make in 1 week. Let me know, and we'll get that video out too.